Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo offset mounting plate with 5/8 inch baby receiver. These adapters, commonly referred to as 41K mounts, allow you to quickly mount your Kino Flo single, double, 4-bank and barfly fixtures to a 5/8 inch baby pin. This adapter consists of a Kino Flo mounting plate that mounts on the back of your Kino Flo fixture, a solid steel ball for smooth, rock-steady positioning, a 5/8 inch baby receiver to mount on any baby pin, and a ratcheting handle for easy tension adjustment. Let's mount our Kino Flo fixture onto the baby top pin of a C-stand. Let's first sandbag our stand for increased stability. Let's remove our Kupo swivel mounting plate with 3/8 inch baby pin from our Kino Flo by pulling the spring-loaded locking pin and rotating the plate counterclockwise until it comes free. Now we'll reverse the process and place the 4 pins of the Kupo offset swivel mounting plate into the Kino Flo fixture. Rotate clockwise until a locking pin clicks into place, indicating a secure connection. You will notice the arrow marks indicating where the Kupo female plate aligns with the fixture. Slide the baby receiver onto the C-stand top pin and turn the knob clockwise to secure in place. With one hand supporting the light fixture, loosen the offset swivel adapter's handle, make final position adjustment, and tighten. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.